today because I have an interesting topic. It is, are you intimate? Are you an intimate person? Are you in an intimate relationship with your partner? All right. Or do you have a fear for intimacy? Okay. So, y'all know why intimacy, being intimate, is going to be important for me, right? And for you, right? In the bedroom, sexual satisfaction, your orgasm, you've got to be intimate. And I've been, thinking, oh my gosh, that's the ultimate goal, to be intimate with your partners. Now we know we women love to be intimate. Guys, on the average, not so much. But hey, we've got intimate guys out there and we have guys that are not. But the question is, again, everything's in a spectrum, everything's in a degree. How good, how bad is it? You sort of want to know because that could be affecting your orgasm. So, are you intimate? Are you in an intimate relationship? Or do you have a fear of intimacy? Now, definition. All right. Intimacy is really that closeness with your partner, a closeness, a familiarity, an affectionate, loving, personal relationship with another person. So we're talking about relationships, right? So there are sort of like two types of intimacy, right? You've got the general intimacy and then the sexual intimacy, right? So you sort of have general intimacy where you're not talking about sex, but I'm talking about sex. Okay. The general intimacy is important, right? We need to have that too. But the sexual intimacy is on another level, and you know that it's on a deeper level sexually. Synonyms. I really want to make sure we understand what intimacy is. It's not love. All right. So don't get it confused. Love is not intimacy. Love is different. I'm going to talk about that in a second. But right now, I want you to understand intimacy a little bit more deeper. So when you are intimate, it's because you are able to trust that person. Now, again, I've always said trust is a difficult thing to do. But overall, again, going on that spectrum, going on that scale, trusting has got to be there to some degree. Okay? There's peace when you have that intimacy. There's that peaceful feeling that you've got. You all know this. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm safe. You have no sex. We don't consider that being intimate. There's something wrong going on. So it's not just the sex missing, but you've got to look at other things. Is there a connection? Is there communication? Are you telling each other's inner, deeper secrets? Now, you don't have to tell them all. You don't have to share them all. I'm not really one of those that believe that you need to go and just expose your whole life to your partner. No, I'm one of those that believe when appropriate, when needed, you share and you get to know each other slowly, right? If you want to do it quickly, that's fine too. But you do it with a pace and you get to know the other person to see whether there's any point continuing or not, right? Because the intimacy is the ultimate goal. Again, I know for guys, it's tougher, but for gals, we know that's what we want.